Good day friends, this channel for mechanical engineering. This channel is your pocket dictionary of mechanical. This channel contains a basic intricate question and answer, mechanical design, software of Creo, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, CATIA, ANSYS, etc. and production and quality departments related. So please subscribe KPS Make English channel. If you like videos, please share your friends.
Hello friends, are you studying mechanical engineer? Or you go to any interview? So, very useful, commonly asked in an interview for mechanical engineering. Just 200 questions and answers. We give the 10 parts of videos. Every part 20 question and answer given. You prepare the basic knowledge for mechanical engineering interviews. Second part 21 question. Which two elements in feed water can cause corrosion of tubes and plates in boiler? Answer: acid and oxygen in feed water lead to corrosion. 22. Question number: what should be done to prevent a safety valve to stick to its seat? Answer: safety valve should be blown off periodically so that no corrosion can take place on valve and valve seat. Question number 23. Why large boilers are water tube type? Answer: water tube boilers raise steam fast because of large heat transfer area and positive water circulation. Thus, they respond faster to fluctuations in demand. Further, single tube failure does not lead to catastrophic. Question number 24. What type of boiler does not need a steam drum? Answer: supercritical pressure boiler. Question number 25. Why manholes in vessels are usually elliptical in shape? Answer: elliptical shape has minimum area of opening and the plate is weakened the least. Further, it is very convenient to insert and take out the cover plate from elliptical opening. Question number 26. Water in boiler drum is unsafe because it may result in overheating of water tubes in furnace. Why it is unsafe to have high water condition in boiler drum? Answer: high drum level does not allow steam separation to be effective and some water can be carried over with steam which is not desirable for steam turbine. Question number 27. Why boiler is purged every time before starting firing of fuel? Answer: purging ensures that any unburned fuel in furnace is removed. Otherwise, it may lead to explosion. Question number 28. What is the principle of mechanical refrigeration? Answer: a volatile liquid will boil under the proper conditions and in so doing will absorb heat from surrounding objects. Question number 29. Why high latent heat of vaporization is desirable in a refrigerant? Answer. A high latent heat of vaporization of refrigerant results in small amount of refrigerant and thus lesser circulation system of refrigerant for same tonnage. Question number 30. What is the critical temperature of a refrigerant? Answer. Critical temperature is the maximum temperature of refrigerant which it can be condensed into liquid, and beyond this it remains gas irrespective of pressure applied. Question number 31. Maximum combustion temperature in gas turbines is of the order of 1100 to 10 degrees Celsius, whereas same is around 0 degrees Celsius in IC engine. Why? Answer. High temperature in IC engine can be tolerated because it lasts for a fraction of a second, but gas turbines have to face it continuously, which metals cannot withstand. Question number 32. Why efficiency of gas turbines is lower compared to IC engine? Answer. In gas turbines, 70% of output of gas turbine is consumed by compressor. IC engine have much lower auxiliary consumption. Further, combustion temperature of IC engines is much higher compared to gas turbine. Question number 33. What do you understand by timed cylinder lubrication? Answer. For effective lubrication, lubricant oil needs to be injected between two piston rings when piston is at bottom of stroke, so that piston rides in oil during upward movement. This way, lot of lubricant oil can be saved and used properly. Question number 34. What is HUCR in relation to petrol engine? Answer. HUCR is highest useful compression ratio at which the fuel can be used in specific test engine under specific operation conditions without knocking. Question number 35. In some engine, glycerin is used in place of water for cooling of engine. Why? Answer. Glycerin has boiling point of 90 degrees Celsius, which increase its heating carrying capacity. Thus, weight of coolant gets reduced and smaller radiator can be used. Question number 36. Why consumption of lubricating oil is more in two-stroke cycle petrol engine than four-stroke cycle petrol engine? Answer. In two-stroke engine, lubricating oil is mixed with petrol, and thus some lubricant oil is blown out through the exhaust valves by scavenging and surging air. There is no such wastage in four-stroke petrol engine. Question number 37. As compression ratio increases, thermal N increases. Coffee's thermal N is affected by weak and rich mixer strength. Answer. Thermal N is high for weak mixture and it decreases mixture strength, becomes rich. Question number 38. Cow engine designs needs to be changed to burn lean mixer. Answer. Engine to burn lean mixer uses high compression ratio and the highly turbulent movement of the charge is produced by the geometry of combustion chamber. Question number 39. Horsepower of IC engine can be expressed as RAC rating, SAE rating or DIN rating. To which countries these standards belong? Answer. UK, USA and Germany respectively. Question number 40. What is the use of flash camper in a vapor compression refrigeration cycle to improve the COP of refrigeration cycle? Answer. When liquid refrigerant is obtained from condenser is throttled, there are some vapors. These vapors, if carried through, the evaporator will not contribute to refrigerating effect. Using a flash camper at some intermediate pressure, the flash vapor at this pressure can be bled off and fed back to compression process. The throttling process is then carried out in stages. Similarly, compression process is also done in two separate compressor stages. Friends, this part is at the end. Next part is very important 20 questions. Thank you.